If you want to use Bass Boost on Google Pixel 10, then in that case we need to download an audio equalizer, because unfortunately there is no pre-installed app that is a sound EQ or anything that would be built in that would allow us to change the sound EQ. So we're gonna go to the Play Store, we can use search over here, and you can write something like an equalizer, for example. You should be able to find a bunch of different apps. However, most of them are pretty much the same, they work in a similar way, so in my case I'm gonna use this one. However, feel free to try anything else in case this app doesn't work for you. Now, the installation should be pretty easy, so let's open it, let's set it up. Let's press I understand. If you see this premium offer, we can close it over here in the top left corner. Let's press next and then finish. Of course, you might see an ad in the meantime. And afterwards, you should be able to enable the equalizer. We can also grant access to notifications. And you have two options. You can change a preset over here to the Bass Boost in order to use the Bass Boost. And there is also this Bass Boost option over here, which can be toggled and then adjusted by moving on this half a circle. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.